Welcome to Beae. Today in this video, I will show you an interesting function that is necessary to increase your conversion rate. Responsive web design. By having a mobile-friendly design, the more customers will visit your page. Let's find out how Beae can push up your store and optimize display on mobile device. As you can see it over here, on the right corner, there will be a responsive icon, including 3 devices: desktop, tablet, and mobile. Just choose a device and Beae will immediately display how your page looks. This can depend on the way you arrange and create sections and elements. You can totally change anything like the spacing, width, and color. Now I will change the alignment for desktop and tablet. For different devices, Beae will flexibly adjust elements so it can look properly on your page. You can also set up a variety of displays on different devices. For example, I will change the font size between desktop and mobile. Switch through this device to see the difference. We go the same with image. Right now, I will make image change on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Normally, other page builder will take the default image in desktop and apply it to mobile. In Beae, this is a whole different story. Beae allows you to upload image, but in smaller size. We recommend you should really reduce the image size so it can increase loading speed in mobile device. Easy to change width, height, and column. By adjusting distance and column arrangement, your section will become easy to approach and more professional. Two more interesting functions will guarantee you would love it: hide and reverse section, which is necessary in case you don't want your product or content to appear on some device, or changes arrangement in the most reasonable way. This is the best part: breakpoint. Breakpoints are predefined areas of measurement that allow you to rearrange your layout depending on the size or device exposure. This is important because it allows you to take control of your layout when things begin to funk and squish. This option allows you to configure the breakpoints of the screen device, and customer can also add more devices besides the default breakpoint device. We hope this video can help you understand more about responsive web design, one of the essential functions in Beae app that can improve mobile traffic, reduce bounce rate. Thanks for watching this video, and remember to subscribe this channel to see more introductions and tutorial videos from Beae.